We're super excited that Kathy Taylor, who is a park ranger at a local state park, is going to give you a tour of Paris Mountain State Park. And she's going to give you part of the lessons that my students go to every year and Mary Elizabeth students go to. And it's a wonderful field trip. I think it's one of the best our kids go on. It's hands-on, and she's going to primarily show you the aquatic ecosystems and how important it is for us to care for our aquatic ecosystems and what's around it. What Mary Elizabeth taught you about the square space is the terrestrial, the study of the terrestrial, and that also is included in the field trip that we go to at Paris Mountain State Park. So Kathy kindly agreed to this tour that she's going to give you, to record for you, which we think is just wonderful, that you can go to any state park, any park next to you, and adjust it to your needs. And it's really wonderful. It teaches the children great things about biotic and abiotic factors and how they influence the organisms that are in that ecosystem. Well, one of the things we were able to get for you is just a wonderful game that my kids retain everything that they could have through that experience with Miss Taylor in a particular game. And it's called the Macromania. It's the study of macroinvertebrates. Now, macro means you're able to see it with your eyes. Micro is you have to use a microscope. So you're able to see these things, and Kathy's going to show you how you can find some of these different little organisms in a river, a little creek, mountain creek, that goes through Paris Mountain State Park. And it really shows you what little organisms that you can find there, shows you the quality of water in that ecosystem, which is so important, and why it happens to be that way. So the students get a group of cards that have different macroorganisms, and then they start to classify what organisms they have gotten from their stack of cards. And then they determine, and this is all in a booklet that you'll be receiving, and we're going to send you a PDF that's going to even be a lot clearer for you. But they're going to determine in this one page that doesn't have a number, that is a worksheet for the children to use, that will determine what quality of water that they have determined by the cards that they have received. And then we'll also be receiving a PDF of this, and it gives you a description of the green cards, the blue cards, the yellow cards, and it gives you the idea of what influenced that water system that would allow organisms to live and thrive in that aquatic organisms or ecosystems, or can't survive. And so it'll tell you the quality of water and why that quality is there. Some of you have been with the tree, were able to be with that tree, Project Tree. Get involved in that, because a lot of the same stuff we'll talk about. The quality of water is determined by the quality of trees that are surrounding the water. So I absolutely love this game. The students walk away understanding the need for keeping our environment clean and healthy, and how they can do so. And some get pretty adamant about how they can keep their ecosystem clean. So it's a practical game, and I'm sure your kids are all going to learn it and have fun with it.